Hi there, superstar. Welcome to Ganzaa Learning, the place where learning is always fun. Today, I'm going to show you how to play one of my favorite games. What is this object? Are you ready? Let's go. When you start the game, you'll see a picture of something. Under the picture, you'll see 3 answer choices. Just tap or click the one you think is correct. Oh no, that wasn't it. But don't worry, you got it. The game will say the name out loud, so you learn how to say the word too. Once you get it right, tap next to see a new object.
Orange.
Now, here's a little secret. You only get points if you pick the right answer on your first try. So take your time and choose carefully.
Table. Cup.
House. Ball.
Flower. Fish.
How many can you guess correctly in a row? At the end of the game, you'll see your score and how many stars you earned. Playing this game helps you learn new words, recognize everyday things, and have a ton of fun doing it. So if you're ready to play, go to ganzaa.org, select games, choose grade 1 and click on What is this object? I'll be cheering for you. Good luck and have fun learning.